And I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video I want to show you how you can actually pull out the teeth of a crocodile on Meyo when you're challenging it. So what you do is you head on to Meyo. Yeah, so we take it that you're actually in the family and you've been challenging the croc. So now what you need to do is this. You simply click on the crocodile. Check on your right, in the right side here. You see the croc. So when you click it, you will see how many fingers you have. So here it's showing that I've been given 2 fingers. So I'll simply have to click on a tooth, and then the highlighter will move depending on what I've selected. So after you've highlighted the tooth that you want to pull out, then you simply click push the teeth. And it has worked. And one of them has actually been pulled out. So I'm remaining with 1 finger. So where are you checking from? If you have a finger, you check at the bottom there, where it says push the teeth. Now at the bottom, you've seen that there's a finger there. So here we go. I'm gonna click now. Which one am I gonna pull out? I only hope this will work. Push. Go. And I've lost the 2 fingers, so I've actually pulled out the 2 teeth. That's how we do it, baby. Go out there and do the same.